To the woman.
Where's the... There you go.
Where's the woman?
Yes. Oh, she found one of the. What was it I was using yesterday?
What you all asking for the...
For all of them?
Yeah, if I was to get all...
Just $10.
10?
Yeah. Be a good Christmas present.
Yeah, right?
Unless, I mean, you're a collector, but
Both?
yeah. Yeah,
Hey, come on.
there's not a ton of big names, you know. But
Yeah, there's some decent...
in the autos.
Yeah, there's some decent... Do you want the box still?
Oh,
Or?
you can have it.
Okay.
To the woman.
Where's the... There you go.
Where's the woman?
Had your back to it, I was...
Oh yeah, local boys, yeah. Yeah, we've got some others that are kind of cool. So I get all my memorabilia I get personalized, so that my kids don't sell it when they get older. There you go. And so everything is made out, but we've got some Namaths and we've got some Elway and different stuff. You know, pretty fun. Yeah, I met him. And they were, I don't know who else it was, I was in the store lounge.
All right.
Oh yeah, they were in town. I think they were doing
Turbo. So that's not we...
Yeah, oh yeah.
Excuse me. Do you know what y'all would be asking for these two?
Buck piece.
Bucket piece?
Yes, ma'am. Wants to take
There you
this
go.
out of my home.
Thank you.
I know nothing about it. Wow.
Morning.
Lots of good stories.
Nicer.
They will, oh, they go on. They will fit, yeah.
Just sell those saddlebags.
Do you want to come help me carry? What was this? Help me carry? Oh, sure. Okay. Hey, Reek, ask Wally if he can. Oh, you got it, ladies? Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, they got it. I thought they needed help carrying.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't know why.
Any jewelry in
Yeah, I
for
see
sale
that.
today?
Jewelry?
Yeah.
No jewelry. Oh, it's, you know, just those couple watches, that's it. Yeah, no jewelry, isn't that weird?
There's 2 watches in it's about halfway down the table. Oh yeah, there's no problem. I put them in that long skinny box.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Thank you.
Oh look, Bernie Sanders is here.
What's that?
Is it Bernie Sanders is here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man.
Unfortunately, they're not placed as well as the old wooden ones used to be. Bones, look what Bones said. He sets his head. Good morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Excellent. Hi.
I need to put these glasses out here.
There goes the bar stools.
I know. I knew they were.
Again.
I wanted them myself.
Again. they
I'm
go
gonna
back
set
and
these
forth.
right here. Is that okay?
Sure.
Do another round.
Oh, you're gonna take the transistor radio.
Yeah.
Take 2 or 3 more rounds, would you?
Where'd you say you put it?
Oh, I thought it. Well, I stacked them over here.
She stacked them on and
I was talking to Jody some minutes ago.
You're welcome to unzip that and take those out. We just,
Yeah.
so they can get dewy.
Yeah, I hear you. See what years there are.
You try the treadmill out for half an hour. Three for a half hour.
I don't think I'd last that long.
75. Wow.
People are looking at that. I better call.
All right.
All right, I added that up as $9.
9. All right, let's do it. Throw a 5. 4 ones.
Perfect, thank you.
There you go. Thank
Right on
you.
the money. Thank you so
Yep.
much. You sure you don't want to make another round?
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, this is so pretty. Do you like that? Oh, that's broken. I know. I don't have any idea what you do, but my husband has those. I guess they're like a shadow box. Yeah. Well, I guess we're ready to.
For your bathroom?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the $1 for these 2 bobbleheads here.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
50 cents on them.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.